no code, your phone is probably blocking it. So here's how to unblock it. First of all, turn off do not disturb mode or focus mode if you're using it. Then check your registered phone number. Make sure that the phone number you entered is correct. Also, tap reset code after waiting up for about 60 seconds. Then switch to email or app verification if available. While entering your email, make sure you're entering a correct email so your verification code does not get lost. Then restart your phone and retry it. Tip: viewer IP number often do not receive bank OTPs, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.